Yo, what's good? Mr. Penistar in this building. Actually, I'm not in the building. I'm in the flipping garage, man. Yo, it's cold up in this place. Woo, about 39 degrees. The things I do for YouTube. All right, today we're going to replace my side marker lights. So, as you guys can tell, whoop, got a little dash, a little space in there. It's been bugging me for a while. I've been lazy to change them. I had these in for about a year or so. I think I paid like 35 bucks for them on eBay. So they've paid their dues. The other side, the same thing. Anyway, they've paid their dues. Time to replace these. I got some new ones in the box right there that I'm about to put on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. Very easy, basic mod, not difficult at all. I'll put the seller's information where I got this from on eBay. Let's check them out. So here they are. Pretty good quality. So last time when I bought ones like these, this little prong piece was a lot longer, so I had to cut that off to pop it in so it can stay in there. Looks like this model, they shortened it, and then they also provided the clips. The clips are right here to pop right into the side of the vehicle. Normally you would have to take your original clips from inside your side marker light and then slide it in here, but looks like they've one-upped it. Put the clip in there for you automatically, which is a plus. This seller too, he gave me these LED bulbs or LED lights as well. I don't know what color they are, but he puts on here, gift, you got the gift, okay? You see the gift right there, gift. I don't know what color, I'm gonna guess this is yellow, because see the yellow in there. Basically, all you gotta do, I got like a tiny little flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it in this crevice so I can stick this out. Look at that, piece of cake. And then I can pull them out here. All right, so to remove, basically, right here, I just twisted it, pulled the connection off. Thing is kind of beat up, as you can tell. You can see how corroded it is. Had this for over a year. Went through snow, rain, cold weather, car washes. But yeah, these are time to go. New ones right here. I'm going to connect that into that socket. And if it doesn't turn on, you just have to reverse it. Make sure the lights come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's screwed back in. I'm gonna test it with my key fob and I'm gonna see if it works. My nose is running, y'all. Okay, turn the flash on. Ta-da! We have success. So that was the right side I plugged it in. Now I'm gonna pop it back in place. So I screwed it back in right, but to my amazement, this little prong, it is shorter, but it's still hitting right here. You can see the indentation right there. So I'm gonna just chop that down a little bit and then I'll pop it back in place. So you can just use scissors. I just use these things. I don't even know what this is called, but I like it. And I just chopped it right there in the middle. So that little plastic piece is gone. Just turned it on real quick. My keys, can't feel my hands, yo. Ta-da! There we go, nice and neat. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick and then we'll do a quick walk around. We outside, y'all. It's freezing out here. Looks better. Nice solid stripe line. Don't mind the exhaust, do ya? Yeah, looks good. Let's check the other side. Yes, indeed. Clean as a whistle, boy. All right, yo. Mr. Penistar's out. Peace.